Today, I'm going to show you how I gloss my hair because before I do this, my hair is not very glossy at all. And this process requires a little bit of detail to get it right. Because my hair is brassy, I'm using a hair gloss that also tints the hair to make it look ashier. This is an at-home treatment when I use this tinted gloss that is kind of like going to the salon and getting my hair toned. I save a lot of money doing it at home myself, which is totally my style. I cut my own hair. I love to do my own hair where possible. Okay, so there's a lot of hair glosses on the market. There's actually one that's more affordable than the one I love, but most of them are way more expensive. This one has very good reviews and it's just over $10. Like most hair glosses, there's a ton of different colors and you're not dyeing your hair, you're adding a tint. So think of it like a glaze that could affect your color if you want it to, although they come in clear too. And along with the tint, you're kind of lacquering a clear gloss over the hair that will last several washes. It's not damaging, and in fact, in terms of retaining length to my hair, even when I bleach it and use hot tools all the time and everything, this is a big part of caring for my hair. And this isn't sponsored, I just want to show you because this is like a big thing for me. I really like doing this. And you have to remember my hair is really thick and coarse and dry. So my results aren't going to look as glossy as somebody with like super straight hair, you know? Okay, so one of the most important things whenever I do a mask of any kind, but especially this kind of mask where I'm really looking to coat the entire length of my hair, I want to make sure that I don't just shampoo my scalp like I normally would. I'm using a good coat of shampoo all over my hair from the scalp all the way to the tips, and then I'm rinsing it out really well so that my hair is clean from root to tip. Hair products and conditioners and things that lay on the shaft of the hair can prevent the gloss from actually adhering to the length of your hair, which would totally defeat the purpose and like waste it. So that's why it's counterintuitive, but it's important to shampoo the whole head of hair and then detangle it gently so that you can brush through it after and make sure that the gloss is coating all of your hair really well. You can do this in the shower. I'm going to do this on camera today. And one thing I want to note about using this product is that it's important to work in sections, number one. And number two, it's important not to savor the product the way that you would with like a blow dry cream or a tube of hair gel. I don't know if anyone uses hair gel. Does anybody still use hair gel? I don't know. You know what I mean? It's more important to use this like a treatment where you're really coating your hair super well versus just trying to make it last. And remember, this will last you several washes after it's done. So doing it properly will really go a long way. Once I have a thick coat on a section, I take a wide tooth comb and this creates a foamier texture, which helps me spread it better. It's so important, like anytime you're using something like this, I think of this like a little mini keratin treatment, almost like super mini, but like a treatment nonetheless. So it's important to follow the instructions. It's not like your average mask. This one says leave it on for about 10 minutes, and that's what I'm gonna do before I reveal the results. I rinsed it out really, really good, and then I just follow my typical routine. So I use heat protectant as I blow dry my hair, and this is the ashier color that I came out with and the gloss that I so love. If you want a glossing mask, get this one. It is incredible. All of the colors I've tried throughout the years are amazing, and if you have any questions about this product, leave them in the comments below and I will try to answer your question. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!